Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing today? I hope that you're having a great day today. And it came, guys. It came. It came. It finally came. What is in here? That's right, guys. The Blue Yeti is actually here. How about that? Yes, yes, yes. Can't believe it. It's finally here, guys. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Get this set up. Ta-da! Instruction manuals, USB, instruction manual in different languages, and oh gosh, guys, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. This is the unboxing. Got the power cord and the Blue Yeti itself. It's here. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Watch, like, share, comment. Please subscribe. I'm going to set this up. I'm going to do my first ASMR video. So guys, have a great, fantastic day. God bless you all.